It was beautiful. Made my day. So happy. Thank you, Collete. Thank you. We just need a zip tie rear bumper.
Sure what is happening, but I believe we were all just posted up at a gas station and a cop came up and said, "Will you tandem donut train around me?" My brain short-circuited a little bit, so I'm gonna assess the situation, but I'm pretty sure that's what's happening right now. Only on Driftweed. That does seem to be the current situation, because there's Adam and there's a cop right over there. So I think that's about to go down. Why not? Sounds like a good time. Bro, this cop is so stoked for what is about to happen, bro. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is a trap. This would be the best trap ever. He got us.
Nothing but a game, cause all you do is mess around. Now I'm on the verge of a meltdown. I should've known when I met her back at Midtown, at Dogwood, when I was going through a rough patch, but it's all good. I even told about the dark times I had in childhood, when we was driving off of I-10 in Cokewood. Now all the time I never get it back. You wanted that, used to hate when I didn't wanna hang. I noticed that, used to talking about your ex Jake with your next Jack. Used to messing with them white boys that she went black. Guess you went and got yourself a real life. Got yourself some booty shots and you just wanna make a rapper beat like love. You ain't with the nice way you do.
Now we're all just like drifting. I'm so confused.
And just go, and just go, and just flow. How you going about it? Looking in my eyes and you say you down for the cause, but you really here for the ride. You ain't really feeding no sheep. You're a K9 in disguise. Should've never gave you nothing but a funky high five. I know we can't go back in time, but I wish I could rewind and get back all that money that I spent every nickel and dime. Cause you alive. Oh, you in front. You gon' say anything as long as you get what you want. When you got yourself a new man, it ain't even been a month. I feel sorry for your boo, cause he don't know what he's signed up for. I can hurt you at the bar and leave you. Okay, don't try to do him like you tried to do me, baby. You a cold-blooded killer like Stu. Cause up close, baby, you a ghost. You a demon, and you should float. Get out the way, and just go, and just go, and just float. Float like a balloon, apple, empty bottle. The next day.
Challenging for me, both from the levels of grip that my car had, which made it almost impossible to drive, to then it also being at night and like doing some really high speed stuff. Like Musselman was just a really challenging track for me, but it forced me to drive more confidently and be more aggressive. And I really practiced carrying a lot more speed into the corners and tapering it off with the handbrake and just dialing in accuracy. And I just feel so much better all around at this track. Like, it's crazy. I'm getting excited, so I'm really putting a lot of heat in the tires right now, so it's starting to get loose and greasy out there. The track as well feels like it's getting hotter. So I'm trying to like pull over and contain myself and not get overly excited and keep hop lapping, but I feel so good. I'm really starting to come into my own with this chassis, and this is exactly what Drift Week was supposed to be for me. Drift Week was supposed to be C time, and it's starting to show, and I'm just getting more and more confident, so I'm so excited. I just feel so good. Even earlier today, I don't think I have video of it, but I just started chasing Duarte, and then he chased me, but the fact that I was like confident enough to go in there and chase him, and I at least got like within a car length, less than a car length away from him in some of the corners. So I don't know, I'm feeling really good, and I love this car so much. You said you want to learn how to drive the Barbie car? Mm-hmm. Alrighty. Oh, you got the first step, safety first, buckling up. Man, you just know. Future drifter racer right here. She's gonna be coming for me on the track. Oh, see, you already got it. There you go. You shift gears like that. And then, yeah, we gotta try and reach the pedals. That was the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Her name is Millie. She's 5 years old. I actually saw her earlier and she was like freaking out about my cars. I guess her dad has been showing her some of my videos, and I came back over here and she wanted to get in. She gets in the driver's seat, immediately puts all the belts on by herself, by the way. Like, her dad didn't even like understand what was happening and was like really shocked, because I guess she's been paying attention to all my videos. You did that all by yourself. I can't believe you can strap yourself in already. How old are you?
5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, here we go.
Can we go on the racetrack, please?
I know, next time. I want to really bad. But we're gonna make our own little racetrack, okay?
Okay.
Do you like cars that are loud or quiet?
Loud.
Do you like loud cars?
Yeah.
Do you want to build your own Barbie car one day?
Yeah, I'm about to. When I get older like you, my daddy and me, and my mom and brothers will.
What color do you want it to be?
Pink.
Pink? Yes.
Yeah.
Like this one?
Yeah. And yellow on it.
Like this one too?
Yeah.
That would be so pretty.
Like rainbow?
Yes.
I want to build a rainbow Barbie car.
That would be awesome. With sparkles on it too?
Yeah. I love playing with sparkles. Like that?
Welcome or what?
You did it! Oh, and there you go. You already got these belts down. You're gonna be a pro in no time. Oh, my car has been taken over. That's totally fine. I'm okay with it. I'm perfectly fine. Oh, I love her. Oh,
Yeah, this time it is it.
this time we're gonna be on track?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are.
We'll pretend.
Hi everyone! I'm gonna build my Barbie car soon. Be Colette on the track. I really love your car.
Thank you.
Yes, this is fun.
I can't wait for you to have your Barbie car.
Yeah. And I can't wait to show you it. Yeah. I just love this Barbie race car.
Thank you.
I just love it. Really love it.
Handbrake.
Whenever you make the milk and whenever you make the smoke.
Whenever I make the smoke, exactly. That's what happens when I pull this and I can start drifting. And this is my shifter, how I change gear. Here, do you want to pull it back into second? Pull it this way. Oh, you did it! You did it! We're in second! We're in second now!
Come on, drive!
And then, okay, I'm driving. And then you can put it back in first. Push it forward. Oh, there you go! And forward. There we go! Good job! You're already learning. And then put it in the middle. There we go, perfect. You did it!
Yeah.
Perfect! And she unbuckled herself. I've been helping adults buckle themselves into that seat, and she did it on her own.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, thank you. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did! I just love this Barbie race car.
She's adorable. She's going on about how she's gonna build her car soon. She's only 5 and she's making all these plans, and I'm just, my heart is melting right now, and it took everything in me to not adopt that child and try and steal her and have her always be with me as my apprentice. Stuff like this is what makes me like want to continue to make videos and just keep being myself and being me and just going out there and doing what I love, because without realizing it, I'm affecting the lives of other people in a positive way, and that's all I want to do. So that was so awesome. She says she's got it from here, so I'm gonna let her take over. Good to go? Oh my gosh, she's trying to start it. I'm dead. My tires are definitely starting to go, but I'm gonna see how many laps I can do.
father, pursue